The video showcases a real-world prototype cockpit developed using NeuroGov Plus, Advanced AI, a powerful AI governance engine designed to build domain-specific AI products across business verticals. It transforms raw enterprise data into structured, governed intelligence by integrating the 3D, 10D AI DNN engine, Cognitive Cube, with Analyzer 1.0 under the IGA 2026 framework, ensuring that intelligence is not only generated but also governed, validated, and audit-ready for enterprise decision-making. Invented and architected by Dr. Pradeep K. Suri, this framework represents a shift from predictive AI to governed, accountable decision intelligence. NeuroGov Plus, Advanced AI, is a powerful AI governance engine designed to develop domain-specific AI products across business verticals. It integrates AGI and pure AI capabilities within the Inform layer to generate advanced intelligence, simulations, and multi-domain reasoning. Unlike traditional AI systems that stop at prediction, NeuroGov Plus creates a complete enterprise architecture by separating intelligence generation, decision control, and audit assurance into Inform, Govern, and Assure layers. This makes NeuroGov Plus not just an AI tool, but a multi-domain operating system for decision-making where one engine powers multiple business applications with consistency, compliance, and scalability. NeuroGov Plus Motherboard Architecture Design. Brain NeuroGov Plus, Advanced AI, Motherboard Architecture, Board-Level Interpretation. One foundational perspective: AI as a computer system. This motherboard visual redefines artificial intelligence as a full computing system, not just a model. Instead of treating AI as isolated prediction engines, your architecture presents it as a governed digital machine, where intelligence, decision-making, and audit are structured like hardware components. This shift is critical because it transforms AI from an experimental tool into a reliable enterprise infrastructure. 2 Central CPU Cognitive Cube, 3D, 10D engine. At the center lies the Cognitive Cube, acting as the CPU of the system. It processes data across multiple dimensions from basic analytics, 3D, to governance, ethics, and foresight, 10D. Unlike traditional neural networks, this cube represents layered intelligence evolution, where each dimension adds depth, context, and meaning to decision inputs. It is not just processing, it is understanding intelligence structurally. 3 Governance Chip Analyzer 1.0. Adjacent to the CPU is the Analyzer 1.0 chip, the most critical innovation. While the Cognitive Cube generates intelligence, Analyzer 1.0 controls decisions. It evaluates every output using KPI, TSI, and OSI metrics, ensuring that no action is executed without validation. This separation of intelligence and authority is what makes your system audit-ready and enterprise-safe. 4 IGA 2026 Governance Bus Controlled Flow. The motherboard's data pathways represent the IGA 2026 governance flow: Inform rightward arrow, Govern rightward arrow, Assure. This is equivalent to a system bus in hardware, ensuring that all signals, data, insights, decisions, move through controlled checkpoints. Intelligence is first generated, then governed, and finally audited, creating a closed-loop system of accountability. 5 Inform Layer GPU Intelligence Zone. The left side of the motherboard highlights the GPU zone, where pure AI and AGI operate. This layer performs forecasting, simulation, and pattern recognition. However, a strict rule is enforced: no decision authority exists here. This ensures that AI remains a supporting intelligence layer, preventing risks such as hallucinations or uncontrolled automation. 6 Assure Layer Memory and Audit System. On the right side, the Assure layer functions as the system's memory and compliance module. It stores audit logs, evidence repositories, and validation records. This transforms decisions into traceable and defensible actions, making the system suitable for regulatory environments like finance, healthcare, and governance. 7 Decision Gating Mechanism Controlled Execution. The visual clearly presents 4 decision gates: allow, condition, hold, block. These act like circuit breakers in a motherboard. Instead of blindly executing outputs, the system filters decisions based on governance rules. This ensures that every action is intentional, justified, and risk-controlled, which is essential for enterprise adoption. 8. Multi-domain expansion. 1 engine, many applications. At the bottom, expansion slots represent different domains such as finance, healthcare, manufacturing, education, and logistics. This shows that the same core architecture can be deployed across industries by simply changing input data. It proves your philosophy: 1 engine, multiple domains. 9. Signal integrity. KPI, TSI, OSI framework. The final layer ensures signal integrity through the KPI, TSI, OSI framework. KPI measures performance, TSI evaluates risk or support load, and OSI determines outcome success. Together, they act like quality control signals in a circuit, ensuring that decisions are not only correct but also stable and sustainable. Summary: board-level insight. This motherboard architecture represents a paradigm shift in AI systems design. Cognitive cube equals intelligence processor, CPU. Analyzer 1.0 equals decision authority, control chip. IGA 2026 equals governance bus, operating system logic. Assure equals memory and audit layer. The result is not just AI, it is a governed decision computer, where every output is controlled, validated, and audit-ready. Final insight. NeuroGov Plus transforms AI from a thinking system into a governed motherboard of institutional intelligence, where decisions are not just generated but authorized, monitored, and proven. Dr. Pradeep K. Suri. The Inform layer is the intelligence generation engine of the software motherboard. It contains AGI and pure AI capabilities that produce forecasts, simulations, anomaly detection, scenario modeling, and multi-domain reasoning. It can identify opportunities, risks, and probable outcomes from raw data, but it does not decide what must be executed. Under IGA 2026, pure AI and AGI are constitutionally restricted to the Inform boundary. This ensures that intelligence remains intelligence, and does not become uncontrolled authority. The layer answers one question only: what can happen?